as well, that if you miss something. Okay. So guys, first of all, we have to understand what will be our agenda throughout our 1 week of internship right now. What you guys will do, because this internship, it's not just a session-based internship. It will be the technical sessions that I'm going to deliver you, as well as you guys have to work on your project. Okay, daily wise, you guys will be working on to the project, right? So let me just share my screen, and then we can start it quickly, guys. Just a second. Yeah. Yeah, guys. So let me just share from here right now. Yeah. So the first thing what we will try to understand, this will be the agenda of today, guys. Right now, we will understand AI, and you guys may have seen a lot of videos of AI. Just a second. Yeah. You guys may have seen a lot of videos of AI, and people make you understand what is AI, what is the threat of AI, how it is going to replace the jobs and all this thing. You will understand from me what it is actually means right now, and what is the job market into the AI it is going on, and how you can secure your spot into the current job market, and what you actually need to understand. You don't need to understand yet another tool like Chat GPT, Cloud, and all this thing. You need to understand the core behind it. Okay, so we will discuss about it, right? So today's agenda will be, we will be understanding AI, especially neurons, neural networking, machine learning, and all these things. Then we will start our real-time project, and inside that we will be understanding today's topic, that is web scraping right now. Okay, so after I made you guys understood of web scraping and all, then from tomorrow onward, using those data from the web scrap data, we will be going to do the data cleaning. Tomorrow we will understand about data cleaning plus EDA part. Then we will understand about analysis of the data and visualization of the data. I'll show you some sort of a powerful tool in, what you can say, in Word. People are using that for the visualization in current days right now. We will understand the machine learning, especially some algorithm from the scratch we are going to understand. I'm not going to teach you just, okay, this is the algorithm, that is the algorithm. We'll understand from the scratch, the mathematics level of the algorithm we will be understanding. And then at the day 5, you will be having your end-to-end machine learning project actually. Okay. So this will be the agenda of 5 days right now. Every day, something you have to work on to your projects right now. At the end of the day, after that, you guys will submit your project. And after you guys submit your project, our team will verify how you guys have did the project. Okay, and then you guys will be called, like top people will be called to, just a second, it's a lot of calls I get it generally. So whenever you guys like complete your project, top projects will be shortlisted from our end. You guys have to represent it for 10 to 15 minutes with our team, and if we see that there is a potential of top performer, you guys will be selected as a top performer, and you guys will be winning the stipend accordingly. Okay, and whatever the things we are going to do, guys, obviously the attendance is compulsory. If you don't come, how you will understand the things, how it is going on right now? You need to be active in the session. You need to continuously engage whatever I'm asking. If I'm asking anything, if you engage, that's going to be very fun learning for us actually. Okay, so these are the things that we are going to do into our upcoming days right now. Okay, so let's start with today's topic, guys. That is day 1 agenda. We wanted to understand AI. We wanted to understand the real-time projects, whatever has been built through artificial intelligence, and then we will start with our web scraping and all those things. Okay, so let's go with this, guys. Let me share my iPad screen. Just a second, guys. Hmm. Guys, let me know if my screen is visible or not. Just let me know, guys. The iPad screen that I'm asking right now.
Yes, it's visible.
Where? Okay, guys. Thank you. Just a second. And you guys will get these notes and all this thing, guys. Everything you will get it. Mhm. So guys, we like, I guess my screen is here. No? There is no issues at all into it. Anything? Just confirm me once, guys, because in the Mac there is a compatibility issues these days I am facing right now. Is it shared now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So we wanted to understand actually what is AI. This is a famous word, and I guess everyone will be having some sort of answers for it. Definitely, whatever the answers you guys are going to give it, that is absolutely correct only right now. If anyone wanted to just let me know what is AI in your term, then you can let me know, guys. Anyone is interested to tell me what is AI, guys? Anyone, guys? Anyone, whatever you know, that is fine for me, guys. There is no technical thing. I'm just asking what is AI. Just a second. Some yeah. Anyone, guys, wanted to explain what is AI? What do you understand from AI actually? Anyone? Just
So
try
may
at
I,
least, no? Yeah, yeah. Please, please.
sir, I think the AI is in a branch of computer science engineering, and
Okay.
it is generally used to provide the intelligence to machine, how they are think like a human being, and how they
Mhm.
have a capability for the decision making. And apart from it, in a modern scenario, the agent are very intuitive, like they are able to think like a human being, and they have also some emotions according to human. So that is an AI.
Very good. Very good, actually. So you told basically a correct answer, and there is can be a lot of definitions of AI actually. Okay, n number of definition of AI we can have it actually. And if you try to understand, just guys, just
Anshuka, your mic is on. Please turn it off. Thank you.
mhm, yeah. So if we try to understand, AI stand for artificial intelligence, and we know this thing from very beginning. There is no uh, debate on to this part actually. But if you try to understand, this artificial intelligence is actually derived from human intelligence, guys. Okay, human intelligence. So human are intelligent. We say ourselves as an intelligent being right now. But the thing is like that humans having different kind of intelligence, and they get these intelligence by their surroundings only. Okay, so suppose if you compare my intelligence with anyone else intelligence, like your intelligence, guys, right now, I've been surround myself 8 years in gen AI, data science, product work, tech work, and all these things. So definitely I'm going to have more intelligence onto these things as compared to you guys. The thing is like that artificial intelligence need some sort of a data to perform like some sort of a actions, you can say. Okay, for example, I'm good in tech because I have surround myself with the data regarding product tech, and some sort of a training and all this thing. I have a good intelligence onto that part. Okay, so we are trying to mimic that human intelligence in the machines also. But machines, how it will understand, how it will get the intelligence, guys? It will get the intelligence actually by providing the surrounding data. If you provide a good amount of data to machine, definitely it can also start mimicking the human intelligence. Okay, so that's the whole logic. The whole logic is the machine is there, machines we are providing and surrounding with the data, and we are trying to make the machine to intelligence actually. And that's what we call it as a artificial intelligence. Okay, and there is a lot of branches of artificial intelligence in modern days actually, you guys can say. Okay, there's a lot of actually. So first of all, if we try to see the products, the best artificial intelligence product that we are having in the market actually, so you can say we are having like Tesla self-driving car, a very good example of use of what you can say artificial intelligence. Okay, where a car drive itself right now. Okay, you can say the open AI. product, it's GPT model, guys. A very good advanced form of artificial intelligence that we are using into modern days right now. Okay, there is a lot of product is built by actually China. China has built a product called Hazen, guys. A very good product in my opinion right now. This Hazen tool, what does it do? If you give your video for 1 and 2 minute video, it will just ask next time, give me text information. I will mimic yourself in a video. You don't need to record a video. I will generate your video artificially right now. So these are like a heavy use of artificial intelligence. These are the very advanced product that we are having in the market. Okay. Currently, these days, what you can try to do, our Indian society, if you try to say, guys, right now, OpenAI is there, Claude is there right now. Okay, Grok is there right now. Okay, you guys aware about these kind of tools, GPT tools. Okay, what you can do, you can go on to these tools and you can give some sort of a prompt and you can get your answer. Simple. So that means it is having some sort of a capability. With your prompt, it can understand and it can give you response and it can do your work basically right now. Okay. So where we are going in terms of job market inside in current in India right now. So currently in India, what they are doing right now, in India, there is a boom of AI engineers. You guys can clearly know there is a boom of AI engineer. There is a boom of data analyst people right now, data scientist people right now, and all this kind of a thing. The boom is getting more and more because of these tools: OpenAI, Claude, Grok, Hazen, Sun self-driving car from Tesla right now. India is also trying to develop its own AI product. Actually, you may have heard about Servam AI and all this thing. Okay, so everyone is going in the race. Everyone is going in the race of trying to create some sort of product related AI. So if you try to understand as a company perspective, what I will be needing from a person, suppose I am trying to develop a AI product. I'm a person, I'm a company right now. I'm trying to develop a product like a Servam AI right now. So to develop a product like a Servam AI, which kind of engineers I'm going to hire? This is my first question. Which kind of engineers I'm going to hire? Definitely I'm going to hire the engineer which is having good command in data, who is having good understanding of data, who is having good understanding of algorithm, who is having good understanding of coding, who is having the packet of everything right now. That kind of a person I'm going to hire, and then obviously that person will help me to build some sort of a product right now. Okay, so this is the race is going right now. We don't wanted to go in another race currently. We wanted to go in the race where every company is heading: AI, Gen AI products, AI products, and these guys are hiring for these kind of roles right now. Okay, so now we will try to understand. Suppose we are trying to understand AI. Okay, we are trying to understand the AI. What are the different branches we are having right now? What are the things that we have actually need to learn AI learn into AI right now? So definitely there are a lot of things into it right now. First of all, you guys can understand there is a very good thing in the market, that is data engineering right now. The data engineering getting in boomed a lot, because inside data engineering you need to understand, guys, cloud technologies like AWS, GCP tool, you can say, and Azure tool right now. You have a good command in coding. Okay, you should have a good problem solving skill. You know how to create data pipelines right now. Okay, so you should have a good understanding of this. So if you create, like, what you can say, if you know and if you have this kind of a skill, you can apply for a data engineering role in any kind of a company, right? Okay, and this is the part of AI. It's not like it's not a part of AI. AI engineers is having different set of skills right now. They know everything, you can say, right now. They know data engineering, they know the analysis, you can say data analysis right now. Okay, they know, like, how to create a machine learning model, machine learning engineer, you can say, right now. They know how to, like, use your LLM models right now. Okay, how to use GPT models right now. They know how to create a machine learning operation, ML ops, right now, and they know how to deploy it right now. Okay, so they know all this thing, right? Okay, so what we will try to do, guys, today, first of all, we will try to understand a workflow, a complete workflow, how these kind of a project is getting made, how these kind of a product is getting made in current market scenario. Okay, and what are the tools is getting used, and then we will try to design our own workflow for the project actually. Okay, so let me showcase you some sort of a project. I will try to showcase you basic project, because advanced project obviously guys is going to have a advanced architecture of the system, right? Okay, so what we will do, so let me just showcase you some sort of a project. It has been already deployed, I guess. Yeah, so guys, this is the project that we that the recent batch has did it actually. So this is a finance tracking system. Okay, this is the finance tracking system right now, what it is having right now. And I will show you the codes also. Trust me, I will show you everything, the front end, back end, algorithm, every kind of a code I will try to show you right now. Okay, so if you try to understand in this project what we have actually tried to build, you everyone is earning the salaries in the current market right now. Everyone is earning money from different sources, but the basic problem they are lacking actually guys, they are not able to save that money. Suppose guys, like we are having a like a fixed salary per month. Now we wanted to buy a GT bike and all this thing, or we wanted to buy a car, we wanted to buy a home, but we don't have a financial discipline to save the money every month right now. So what this project is getting is doing actually right now, you come on our portal, you sign up with your data, and after sign up with your data, you give your information. Just see data, how much it is required for these things. So you give your information, you give how much you earn the salary, how much your dependents you are having right now, how much additional income you are having right now, how much you spend in groceries, food, entertainment, different everything. It will ask you the information, and then it will create a for plan for 6 months of saving for your bike, or plan for 12 months for saving for your car. It will create a plan for you, and then you have to follow the plan actually. Okay, so this kind of a finance tracking system we have created. Okay, I will ask you few things. What are the things has been included into this project right now? Okay, first thing guys, if you try to see right now, this is the home page that we are having right now. Okay, and this is, we call it is right now front end actually. This is called as a front end right now. Okay, so in this front end means guys where you can interact. We can interact with this website. We can click on sign up button. We can go on anywhere right now. I have not run this project, so let me just run this project. Just a minute. Just a quick minute, guys. Open Vision, FinTrack AI. This is on the local server, but we can deploy it also. Many people have deployed it already. So the thing is like that. If you try to see, this is the front end. Now, where we can interact with the sign up button, where we can interact with the logins and all this thing, we can interact right now. This front end, guys, in modern days, what are the tools we create? How we create this front end, guys? Anyone knows how we create this kind of front end? Using which technology we try to create it? Anyone, guys? Anyone having idea about it? Anyone, guys?
Sir, I think it will be based on React.
Actually, there is a lot of modern tool we are having, but if we go on the basics that we had previously, we can say we had HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Right now modern tools are React.js and Next.js actually. Okay, so Next.js is very advanced. It is very smooth actually in terms of loading the front end. So this is the front end part where we go and interact with it right now. Okay, what it is happening guys, if I give it some information here right now. Okay, suppose I have given some information called suppose John Cena, something like that. I'm very bad into those things, guys. So let me just give a mail, contact@craftingbrain.com. Okay, okay, I've given suppose sender mail, I've entered some password. Okay, I'm trying to confirm the password right now. Okay, so what I'm trying to do here right now, I will try to click on the sign up button actually. Okay, I'm trying to click on the sign up button. So now it's asking verify OTP. I wanted to ask you guys, this is the main thing in modern, this is the modern requirement for the AI engineers also to build these kind of things. Okay. So I wanted to ask you one thing, guys. When I click on the sign up button, what actually happened? What do you think? What actually happened when I click on sign up button? What do you think, guys? What did
The account
actually
is
happen?
created.
What it is there?
The account is created in the database.
The account is getting created
The
in the
account is,
database.
yeah,
Yeah, that's good. But if you try to understand, let me just try to make you understand here right now. This is the project example that you need to understand. This is an AI project actually. Okay. So the thing is like that. When the user is giving any kind of a data, suppose he is giving his information, he is giving us data. So now that data is coming from the front end, guys. This is the front end part. The data is coming from the front end. Okay. Now what will happen, guys? This data from the front end will go to the back end actually. Okay. Will go to the back end. So the backend, inside the backend, what are the things we are having right now? We will try to understand. Front end, I told you guys, front end can be made using the tool like HTML, CSS, JS, React, and all this kind of a tool can be used in the front end. Backend, how you can make it in these days? You can make using Python, you can make using Java, you can make using Scala, you can make using different programming languages. These are called programming languages actually, guys. Okay. So suppose we are making backend with the Python actually. We are making backend using the Python. So what it is going to do? So front end is going to send your data, guys. Front end is going to send your data. The data will be received by the backend. So inside that backend, we actually created backend using Python. Okay. So inside some of the Python function, the data is getting received. Okay. There is some sort of a function inside the backend in Python right now. The data is getting received in that function right now. Okay. So suppose the data is getting received in the backend in some sort of function right now. Okay. And I will show you guys actually like where the data is getting received. So data is received in the backend using Python. The data is getting received in the backend right now. What we are going to do with the data, guys, right now? Suppose we receive the data. What we are going to do with the data? Obviously, we need to store the data or not, guys? Yes or no? We need to store the data or not, guys? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
So if we wanted to store the data, what the thing we are using in modern days, we are using a concept called database right now. Okay. Database is not just a concept, but database is something like what you can say is the place where we store the data actually, store and manage the data, manage the data. So this user will send the data in the backend, and the data is getting stored inside the database directly. So the user information has been saved right now. User information has been saved right now. Similarly, what we are going to do is, suppose we have to collect other kind of information also. We have to collect his income information also. We have to collect his expense information also right now. Okay. Income means how much he's earning, what is the salary, additional income, and all those things. Expense means what you can say. We wanted to see like how much he's expending on groceries or entertainment or any different thing. So similarly, how we collected user information, in the same way we can collect the income and expenses. What it will do? From front end, user will give income expenses, that will go to the back end, and the back end, using back end, we can store the data into the database. Simple. Nothing more we are going to do into it right now. So we can collect all the information with this process. Front end, send the data into backend, backend will save the data into the database. Now the main thing comes, guys. Main thing comes what right now? Main thing comes here, the goal that I talk about right now. Goal, user goal. So suppose user is saying right now that I wanted to buy a bike actually. I wanted to buy a bike. I wanted to purchase a bike right now. Bike. I want to purchase a bike. I don't know, maybe in 3 months, 6 months. I don't know. I don't have any idea about it right now. But I wanted to definitely purchase a bike. Okay. So what I will do to do it right now. So I will go in my front end. I will try to create a goal for it. Okay. Goal that I wanted to purchase a bike. I wanted to purchase a bike right now. Now I will say that bike prices is roughly 3 lakh rupees. Suppose bike prices are roughly 3 lakh rupees. Okay. So I've given that, okay, I wanted to purchase a bike. This is 3 lakh rupees that the price of the bike we are having. Now, guys, we have to make a plan. We have to make a plan for him. We have to make a plan for him that, okay, how this person is going to purchase a bike right now. We are having his income and we are having his expense also. Means you can say, if I am a person, salaried person, you know my income, how much I'm earning, you know my expenses, how much I'm like spending over my all the expenses right now. So now you have to make a plan for me to purchase a bike. What do you guys think? Who is going to play the role to make a plan here right now? What is going to play the role to plan, like create a plan to purchase a bike right now? How we are going to make the plan to purchase a bike right now? What do you guys think? Kya hoga, guys? It is not like we are going to write a database and Python some requesting data. Here is the real thing is coming. User is saying, I wanted to buy a bike of 3 lakh rupees. Now you have to tell me how I will buy this bike of 3 lakh rupees in upcoming months or upcoming days right now. You have to make a plan for me. So what is going to play role here right now? Here is actually going to play the role by your AI actually. Okay. And there you need to understand what AI means actually. Okay. Here you need to understand what does AI means actually. What I'm trying to say, we are feeding the income data to AI. We are feeding the expense data to AI. Simply we are saying, we are going to feed the income data to AI, expense data to AI, and we are going to feed the goal to AI. So 3 kind of data we are going to feed. Income data we are going to feed, expense data we are going to feed, and this goal data we are going to feed to the AI. Now AI will understand what is my income, what is my expense, and what is my goal. Now it should create a plan for me. Okay. Now I wanted to ask you, and I wanted to show you guys also here right now. What does AI actually is there right now? What does it means right now? Okay. So let me show you. This is the basic AI that we have created, and you will surprise. What is this? Isn't it? It is not like an AI right now. So this is the code of this AI from the scratch right now. Okay. And if you try to notice, guys, there is a lot of variable it is being created. Let me just do Control Z. There's a lot of variable it is created. There is some sort of mathematical calculation is happening. Okay, there is some sort of what you can say conditions being written, fetching of the data it is happening right now, some standard deviations, some other kind of mathematical formula it is being used, again some mathematical formula is using, again mathematical formula is using right now. Here it is also like, it's completely, if you try to understand this AI is what right now, it's actually nothing but, guys, right now it's an algorithm. Okay, it's an algorithm, mathematical algorithm right now. It's a mathematical algorithm right now. If you try to see algorithm, now what this mathematical algorithm will do, so this mathematical algorithm will take my income data, will take my expenses data, and will take my goal, and it will create the plan for the 6 months. Okay. So whenever you see any kind of AI in this modern days, whether it's a chat GPT, is you are giving some prompt and you're getting some response, whether it's a self-driving car of Tesla right now, whether it's what you can say, some forecasting you are doing for stock prices and all, you are predicting tomorrow's weather. It's nothing, guys. It's just the piece of mathematical algorithm right now. Okay. And this is the most tricky part in AI to do. This is the most tricky part in AI to do. And this is the thing that you will get paid high to create this algorithm. Trust me, this algorithm that we have created, it took 2.5 hours to create this algorithm. You may see, you may find this is easy. Okay, what is this and all? For creating this complete mathematical formula, it takes 2.5 hours for us actually. Okay. When we created this algorithm, now this algorithm will be able to make some sort of predictions actually. So when you see self-driving car, chat GPT, OpenAI models and all this thing, nothing is there. It's a complex mathematical formula that is running behind that thing. When you open your phone and you see that your phone is getting unlocked by your face, you are seeing nothing, but there are set of mathematical formulas that is running behind. Okay. And this is one more thing that you guys are going to understand in this intensive session. Day 4, we are going to understand that mathematical algorithm from the scratch, and you will see how much crazy it is actually right now when you are going to understand from that scratch right now. So this is AI. AI is nothing but algorithm, mathematics right now. Okay. People are afraid of mathematics, and I'm honestly telling you, they, like many people, whenever they learn, okay, AI is mathematics, data is mathematics, data science is mathematics, actually, they get afraid. And that's why many people avoid in the early stages right now. I've seen like many people in my domain, actually, they are data scientists, they are data analysts and all this thing, but they are not able to grow actually. They are being the data science for 3 to 4 years, but their salary is again not that much in term of in term of their current role right now. They're still on the same page. Why? Because they are data scientists, but these data scientists or these AI trainer or these AI engineers are just know how to use the tool. Okay. So they know how to use, suppose pandas, they know how to use sklearn, they may know how to use like algorithm like linear regression or neural network, they may know how to use it. But if you tell them, okay, tweak this algorithm and create something new out of it, they will fail because they don't have the deeper understanding of it. And that's why the top-notch AI engineers and data scientists and all these things, these people get paid high due to these reasons. Why? Because they know how to tweak these algorithms, how to create the algorithm, and how to use into the product properly right now. And that's what the thing you guys are going to understand into the whole session duration right now. Okay. So this is the thing. Let me showcase you guys like the live example of it right now. I don't know, guys. This is just a very basic mini project. It was made in, I guess, 3 to 4 days. Okay, 3 to 4 days. So let me just go back. I guess I think I should have some account onto it. Let me just try to log in into other place. I don't remember the password and all. I hope, yeah. I guess, guys, let me see. I don't remember the password at all. Literally, I'm saying right now. See, I don't remember at all right now. Okay, okay. I have something. Yeah. So this is the like a FinTrack AI dashboard that we are having. You can write your incomes from here right now. You can go and write your expenses, different expense detail. You can give it here. You can write your goals here right now. So suppose I'm trying to give it, guys. I don't know because last time we did the project, it's been days right now. So I'm just writing. We wanted to purchase a bike. Purchase a bike. Purchase GT. I guess GT 350 is the bike name if I'm not wrong. GT 350 bike. It's very famous. Many people put the status actually. Goal amount, suppose, what does it cost? GT 350 please? 3,50,000, no? Something like that. How much?
4,50,000.
4 lakh.
4 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
4 lakh 60,000. Oh,
50, sir, 50.
50,000. Very specific actually, I guess. 2 zeros, yeah. So start date, end date, just we are giving, like my machine is not going to take it because it is going to be very realistic whether you can purchase in that duration or not. I'm making it active right now. Let me try to save the goal. Let's try to see what is going to happen. I'm like, yeah, 74 gmail.com. It's trying to just try to see what does happen right now. What does it happen actually for this user? What does happen right now? Can you see right now? It is saying this expense is higher than the income. Can't save much. Okay. So the thing is like that. It is trying to directly tell the user that your income, your expenses are already getting higher than your income. Okay. So you can't save much right now for this user specifically. Maybe last time we have created some user and it got it actually. And it get like this actually. If you try to show, if I try to show you in the database right now, it's try to see, just see how much it is coming, minus 20,000. Obviously negative, how you can try to save it, right? Okay, so that's why your income is getting, your expense is getting higher than income, and you can't save it much right now. But guys, if you have your proper incomes, if you have your proper expenses, and somewhat you are able to have 10,000, 5,000, and 15,000 gap, it will still try to fulfill the gap, and it will still try to create a plan for it properly right now. Okay, so this is the thing that has been created. If I wanted to show you guys, I have to add different proper expenses right now, then we will be able to get it. This is the complete track of it, how it did the calculation, what you got, how much result you got. It was coming minus, that's why it was not able to tell you right now. Okay, but definitely if you give a proper like if you have proper expenses over the income, definitely you are going to get a very good result from this part right now. Okay, so this is the thing that we have created inside it, and there is nothing but it just simply the algorithm that is running behind it, and this algorithm we call it as actually AI right now. Okay, now guys, let's go with our today's agenda right now. We wanted to understand today scrapping of the data, web scrapping, and we wanted to understand how to scrap the data from multiple different website. Okay, but before understanding the scrapping and all, we have to understand, guys, the complete workflow to create some sort of a project like this actually. Okay, so let's try to understand. I'm sharing my screen of iPad. Yeah. So guys, suppose, hypothetically imagine guys, like right now, suppose that we wanted to actually do what? We wanted to actually create a model, or you can say some prediction model, which can predict tomorrow's weather. What would be tomorrow's weather? We check it multiple time on different platform. So we wanted to create a model which can predict tomorrow's weather. Okay, or day, what will be the weather in upcoming 6 day, whether it will be rainy, snowing, or not. So we have to create a model like that. So what we should do to create this kind of model? So the first thing that you guys required, that is nothing but guys, you require the data. This is the first requirement that you have it right now. Okay, so we need to understand from where we are going to collect this data, guys. From where we are going to collect the data. So what do you guys think? The first thing to create a model, predictive model, is to collect the data. So from where we are going to collect the data, guys? What are the sources of collection of the data, guys? Can anyone tell? Like how we are going to collect these kind of a data? Anyone,
Array.
guys? Array? No. I'm asking collection of the data. Suppose I'm creating like what you can say prediction model for predicting future weather and all this thing. What would be tomorrow's weather? Whether it will snow, rain, something like that. So I need to have the previous data. Na? I need to have previous year data, like 2 years previous data of weathers. I need to have that thing. Na? So from where we are going to collect the data, guys?
From
Batch data.
Kaggle,
Mm-hmm.
from Kaggle we can collect previous
Very
data.
good. Very good. I wanted to listen that word of CAG. Actually, there is a, for data scientists and AI engineer, there is a very famous platform that is Kaggle. You can use it for getting your data actually. Okay. But if you try to understand in production, like I'm a company of a weather, like I'm just having a record of 10 years, 20 years of weather data. So in production, it is different case, guys. Kaggle publicly available data, you get it actually. Private available data you don't get in Kaggle actually. So that is different case. So how we will get the data? Then there is a sources of collection of data is a lot right now. We get the data from cloud services also. Cloud services like what you can say, you can use AWS, GCP. GCP is Google Cloud Platform, guys, and Azure from Microsoft. We get it. We have to collect the data from our cloud services. Cloud services, why I'm telling, maybe there is a company like Hindustan Lever, or there is a company called Tesla. They are having their data. Where they are having the data? They are having the data on cloud technologies right now. You need to pull the data. After pulling the data, then you can do your work right now. So data collection, if you wanted to do, so the Kaggle is publicly available data, you get it. On cloud technologies, there is generally you get private data. Okay. So after that, what are the other sources we are having? Then you can get the data using APIs. And I'll try to show you today the work of API also. Okay, we will try to get the data using API. You can use both public API also and private API also. Public and private API, what does it mean, guys? Public and private API, what does it mean? Can anyone tell? What is public and private data? Public data and private data. Anyone, guys? So suppose, guys, if you guys have watched YouTube videos and all, I ask you how many views this video has went, how many likes this video has earned. Okay, suppose I'm asking views, guys, right now. So can you tell me the views of a video? Yes or no, guys? Can you tell me the views of a video of YouTube? You can tell. But if I ask you, can you tell me the dislike count of that video? Can you tell me nowadays? Dislike count.
No, sir.
We can't say. So we can say views is which kind of a data? Public data. And dislike is which kind of a data, guys, right now? Private data. Dislike count, who can see right now? The user only can see. Otherwise, it is not public data. So views is public data and dislike is private data right now. So that's what API is. API can access both kind of data, public data and private data also right now. Okay. And then this is the thing that you guys are going to understand today. That is what you can say right now. Web scraping. Web scraping / automation, we call it actually. Okay, I'll show you. This is the cool thing to show every time actually, guys. Web scraping means what? If I go and able to see that Amazon, if I go on Amazon and I see, okay, there is a lot of mobile phone has been listed on Amazon. What I wanted to do, I wanted to do the analysis of Amazon phone data. How many reviews it got, what is the current pricing of it, what are the different phones the Amazon is selling right now. I want to do the analysis on the Amazon mobile phone data. So obviously Amazon is not providing me any API, cloud, Kaggle, something like that. We can't get those data there. So the last option we are having, scrap the data from Amazon using some sort of automation. Okay. So we'll go onto the Amazon. We will crawl. Actually, we call it as a crawl. We'll crawl to the Amazon website. We'll navigate to the mobile phone section and we'll try to scrap the data from the Amazon website right now. This is called as scrapping of the data. After you scrap the data, guys, then what you will do? After you scrap the data, then you can process your data for data cleaning and rest of the work right now. So the first part is data collection right now. This is the main important part. And this is the thing that we are going to start. But before starting this complete web scraping and all, you need to understand the workflow to create a complete machine learning model, because at the end of the complete, what you can say, project, you have to create a machine learning model at the end. So first thing you guys did, data collection. First thing you guys did, data collection right now. Then after doing the data collection, you guys have to do what, guys? A very, very important step, and where a lot of time of a data scientist and Gen AI engineer went actually, that is the part of data cleaning. Data cleaning actually, okay? Plus EDA work also we can do it here. Data cleaning and EDA, in my opinion, both goes parallelly actually. So without understanding and exploring the data, you can't clean the data in a better way right now. So first we collect the data, then we clean the raw data. We get actually raw data generally, okay, uncleaned data actually. So we clean the data using EDA process and some machine learning process also. We try to clean the data, guys. Then after cleaning the data, then you try to do your analysis if it is required. Okay, so you can do your data analysis, guys. Okay, you can do your visualizations there. Okay, you can do your visualizations right now. You can do all these things at the third step. After data analysis and visualization, guys, then you go into very important process called as data processing or data pre-processing. Data pre-processing actually. Okay, so data pre-processing, what does it mean, guys? I'm telling you right now. So by a simple example, just try to understand. Suppose, guys, we have written a very simple mathematical formula that y is equal to x plus x into x plus z square. Y is equal to x plus z square I have written. This is the simple. Obviously, we know AI machine learning is nothing but mathematics. I'll tell you in upcoming days also. So x plus z square we have written. Now what is that, guys? X is hello, a string data right now. Z is what right now? Z is something value called coder. Okay. Or Z is something value called 5. Okay. Z is some value called 5. So we have to do a calculation like this. Y is equal to hello plus 5 square. Guys, is this possible, guys? Is this equation possible? Can we like add integer and string data? Can we add it, right? Tell me, guys, is it making any sense? Hello plus 5 square?
No, sir.
No, no.
Not making any sense. So, but in real life, we get a lot of string data. We get a lot of string data. What kind of string data we get it actually? So what kind of string data we get it means we can get the data like someone have diabetes or not, yes or no. Whether tomorrow's weather is sunny, rainy, or what it is right now. So we can get those kind of a data in text only. So that means we need to process those text data, guys. And that processing of the text data we do in data pre-processing. Inside that we understand encoding, decoding, what you can say, some sort of principal component analysis right now. Okay, PCs and all this thing, standardization, normalization, a lot of things we do in data pre-processing. After you pre-process your data well, guys, then you get a chance actually to create a machine learning model, ML model right now. Okay. So after you process the data, you feed the data in the algorithm, you feed the data in your algorithm, and you create a machine learning model right now. After you create your machine learning model, guys, then you test your machine learning model. You do your testing of the machine learning model using cross validation, using some sort of other performance matrices. You test your machine learning model. And then after testing the machine learning model, you in real time deploy the machine learning model for production use. Deployment of machine learning model in for the production use, like the FinTrack AI. You can see you created the algorithm. Now lastly we deploy this machine like that algorithm, and then now it is being used for the prediction right now. So this is the complete step. This is the structure or workflow to create a predictive model, to create an AI model, to create a machine learning model. And trust me, guys, still the process is same for your advanced, what you can say, projects that you see in modern days. Maybe you see facial recognition system. Maybe you see some sentiment analysis project. Maybe you see the Chat GPT project itself also. It is still follow the basic rule. And if you don't know the basic rule, there is no meaning of going on ChatGPT and writing, okay, generate this code, generate that code. You need to know this basics right now. This is the complete workflow we are having right now. Okay. Now let's start today, guys, by data collection. Data collection and okay, and data connection using especially. Let me just introduce it using API and web scraping. Okay. And one more thing I forgot to tell you guys, your batch will be assigned like our two of our expert mentors who is actually working into the products, real-time products right now. So they will be assigned to your batch after the session end. The training will be not ended actually. After the session ends, if you guys have any doubts, you are facing any issues in setup, you are facing any issues in your project, if anything you face it actually right now, you can directly contact these mentors. They will be available for you to solve your doubts, projects, and anything that you are getting problem into it right now. So first, let's understand API and web scraping right now. Okay. So API is nothing but, guys, it's just a URL. Okay, let me showcase you. API is nothing but, guys, it is just an URL. So let me showcase you on the Google Colab. Colab is fine for me. I can write the code and Colab directly. So see, guys, right now what we will try to do here, right? So we will try to get some data. Okay, we will try to get some data. We will try to get some data using API. Okay, so I will try to do what right now? I will try to import a request actually. Okay, using request. There is a multiple like methodology you can say to request an API. There's multiple technique to do it actually. Okay, you can do using pandas also. Pandas is also having that kind of feature, but request is general thing that we use it in these days right now. So import request I have did, suppose import request I'm doing right now. Let it just run, guys. Request. Now what we will do guys, we can go on any kind of a website. Let's just go on any website, anything. Generally every data is kind of publicly available data. We are assuming that thing. Sometime it can happen, sometime it can't, it cannot be happen also. This is also possible right now. So I'm just going and searching some sort of a tiger images right now. Okay, so I'm just going and trying to search some tiger images. For example, I have searched this tiger image. Okay, I'm going on to this image, or let's just try to go from this directly, or let's just try with any other images also. I need some images that is having proper URL. If it is having proper URL, yes. Copy image address. Let's just try to. So I have copied the image address right now. Now what I will try to do is, my main purpose will be getting the image directly in our what you can say in Collab, without using some sort of a what you can say any kind of other thing, right? So API is nothing but it is just an URL form actually. You wanted to request the data from the API, just copy the URL and you will be able to get it. Sometime you may get it, sometime you may not get it due to security reasons also. It is very possible. So I am just trying to show you the basic one. So requests dot get I'm trying to do. I'm trying to paste the URL. I don't know anything. I'm just trying to paste this URL. Okay. Request dot get. I'm trying to paste that URL. Okay. I'm trying to create and store into a variable. Simply I've stored into the variable. Now from the URL, I will first of all try to see what is the status code actually. Okay. Status code. Ct dot status code. So CT status code is coming 403 guys. So 403 means what right now? That means it is not able to perform the data access. There is some security reason it is not able to access. You should get a status code what? 200. If you're getting status code 200, that means you are able to scrap the data. You are able to get the data from it. So I'll not use that URL. I may use some other URL. Let's try some other URL guys actually. Okay. So let's try some other URL into it. Let me just delete this URL from here. And let's try some other URL. That was not working at all. So let me just try with some of this. I guess the stock images also will be on the same page. No, this image has got actually what you can say status code 200 right now. Let's see in this status code 200 that we successfully it is able to connect with this API. 200 means you need to understand in API terminology. 200 means you are able to successfully make the connection. And if you build the connection, that means you should get some sort of a response from it. Any kind of response, but you should get some response. So I'm getting ct dot content I'm writing right now. Content I'm writing. I'm trying to hit enter. And I'm getting this content guys right now. Okay. Can you tell me what is this content actually? What is this content? Can you guys tell me? Anyone? What is this content in terms of computers? If anyone is from computer science background and all.
The image is stored in matrix.
The image is not. Actually, you guys may have understood about binary concept, okay, in computer science right now. So whatever the way we interact with our computer, it every time store the data into binary, okay, zeros, one, or we call it, this is hexadecimal actually, uh, like little advance of it right now. But whatever you do in your computer, whether you're storing an image, whether you're storing any data, it is ultimately is in binary form right now. So this is an actually your image. This image guys, this is an actually your image right now. You are not able to see, but this is an image right now. Image is also some sort of a data, right? Okay. So what we will try to do, we can try to convert this image, and along with the image guys, there is a lot of other things right now. There is a lot of other things. If you can try to see, it is scrap the data. Ultimately, it scrap the data, and along with that, it's got HTTP links and all this different things right now. It's got different things, right? Okay. What we will try, Actually, this is not completely hexadecimal. So we may get some error when we are trying to convert back into the image. We may get it. That is very possible because there is some string data, female Bengal tiger and all those things, completely not in hexadecimal and all. So we may get an error when we try to convert back into the image right now. Let's at least try our best right now. F is equal to open, and we are trying to open by what you can say uh, tiger.jpg. I don't know what is the format we had it. Okay. And we are opening into which mode, guys? We are opening into binary mode. We are writing into binary mode because the data is in binary right now. Okay. Now, let me write like this as f dot write ct.content. Obviously, guys, the people who is not aware about Python, they may get confused into this part. Okay. But I'm just trying to write minimal code as possible right now. Okay. So let's try to see what it is going to happen. So something has happened, and it's tried to create some image, and I don't know whether it's created the image properly or not because there was a problem of, I told you there is a problem of having the text. Okay. So let me just see. But if you can try to see right now, we did not downloaded the image. We actually did not downloaded the image, right? Okay, what we did it actually, we just copy the API URL. We try to make the connection with the API URL. We got the data and we save the data back into the image right now without downloading it right now. So we can see this image, how we easily got it. And now try to imagine if I need to get thousand of images, we need to do the analysis on thousand of images right now. Okay, so you will not go and download one by one each and every image right now. You can find out some pattern in the URL, API URL, and you can write a loop code. Using that loop code, you can actually download those thousand images. And after downloading those thousand images, you guys can do what right now? You can do your data analysis, or you can do your some image classification project, whatever you wanted to do, you can do it easily. Okay. So this is the main thing. This is using the API. But guys, if I try to do and try to access some private data, definitely I will be not able to access. I need some sort of a API key, like a security credential for accessing that data for it right now. So that is very, very possible right now. Now, I will show you how to scrap the data or how to get the data using automation also. Okay. So automation, first of all, you need to see a glimpse of automation. Okay. Let me showcase you the glimpse of automation. So let me just go and write a simple code. And the automation setup, you guys will be provided a video, guys, because if we just invest some time on automation setup, it will take more time into it. We will send you a video through which you can set up your complete tool package and all. We'll ping the video into the group because we don't want to waste the time onto those kind of things. Okay. Setup video, you guys will be provided as soon as possible. Okay. So let me just go with some sort of a new project, or let's just open a folder and name the folder as Gen AI Internship Batch 1. Okay. All the codes and all this thing will be here. And later on, you guys can access it also. All these setups and all this thing, guys, you will be provided in the videos. Don't worry regarding it. So now we will write it here, some file name and ipynb temp data.ipynb. Okay. So I'm writing some sort of Python code. Okay. Obviously, I know one more thing, that if person have not understanding of Python, they get confused into all this thing. Okay. But I'm again telling you, I will try to keep it as minimal as coding as possible right now. Okay. Now, guys, what we will do, let me just select the kernel. I guess global kernel is having, let me just see. Yeah, this is fine also. Okay. So what we are going to do for automation, what we are going to use, we are going to use a very famous tool in the market that is called Selenium. Okay. So Selenium is the tool that we can use it for automation as well as web scraping also. Okay. Web scraping is data scraping from the website, different website right now. So first of all, let me import the Selenium. You just need to see it right now. From Selenium import WebDriver right now. Okay. Okay, from Selenium import WebDriver. And now what I'm trying to do, guys, try to see dr. I'm creating a variable called dr, and I'm trying to create a WebDriver dot Chrome object right now. So we can automate only in Chrome browser actually, guys, right now. Chrome browser is very famous, so generally people use Chrome browser right now. So we can automate in Chrome browser. And what does automation means? You guys will see right away. So for example, guys, if I run this code, try to see what will happen in my PC. Automatically, it will happen in my PC right now. Okay. So I will just run this code and wait for a few minutes. Automatically, it's went onto the Chrome and created a new Chrome browser for me. Okay. It just newly created a Chrome browser. No manual interaction, nothing. We are controlling this browser using our code only right now. Okay. No manual interaction at all, actually. So on this website, on this browser, now we can go and do whatever we want right now on this browser. So what happens? What happens? We'll do right now. We'll go in code and we are saying, okay, dr.get. Dr.get means just go on somewhere. So I'm saying, okay, dr.get, go on to the YouTube actually. I'm just trying to say, just go on to the YouTube right now. So I'm writing HTTPS, the URL of YouTube actually. HTTPS column slash slash and youtube.com, guys. youtube.com. Okay, now I will run this code. Just try to see. I will run this code and what will happen? I will run this code, and the thing is like that there is a problem inside URL. Is youtube.com is available? I guess it should be there, no? Let me just check it. What is that? YouTube is exception output. Just a second. I guess there is some problem in my browser. Just a minute. Let me see youtube.com URL. Let me just copy the URL. I guess I have written the correct one only, but let's just try. I guess maybe, okay, www.youtube.com. Let's try to see, guys. So we pasted the URL of YouTube, www.com. We forget to add it actually. So we pasted the URL of YouTube, and now you will see what happens into the browser. Okay, try to see it's just reached to the YouTube or not, guys. We did not open it here manually, guys. We opened the YouTube directly from the code. This is called an automation, guys. If you write thousands of code like this, you can automate on this browser. And automate means you can do anything. I'm telling you honestly, what is the power of automation? You can imagine right now, if I wanted to open like 10 of website, 100 of videos, YouTube videos, I can do it just by using code right now. Okay, or I wanted to scrap the data of YouTube views, how many views each videos and all this thing is getting. I can scrap by this tool right now. Okay, so I went on YouTube. Similarly, if you wanted to go on any other platform, suppose I wanted to go and search on Wikipedia. Okay, suppose Wikipedia is there right now, and this is the URL of Wikipedia. Try to see, guys. I will just put the URL of Wikipedia. Wikipedia. I'll put the URL of Wikipedia here. Run the code, and you will see in my browser Wikipedia has been opened right now. Okay, so whatever the URL you will give it, automatically that website would be open right now. Okay, and everything you can control by the code only, by the Python code only. That's why, guys, coding is like whenever anyone wanted to enter in AI field or data field and all this thing, the first thing I wanted to focus, spend your 2 months. I don't care about it. Spend your 2 months straight, but you need to be very, very good in at like coding actually, problem solving skill and all, especially right now. Okay, you need to be very good in that part. Just a second, guys. Just give me a moment. This companies and all, what I tell. Okay, no issues. So, guys, if you try to see, I'm able to go on the Wikipedia. I'm able to go on to the YouTube right now. Okay, what I wanted to do generally, I wanted to get some data from it actually. Okay, I wanted to, what you can say, scrap some data. I wanted to do some automation, something I wanted to do. But how I can do it right now? This code is basic. Nothing. Import the Selenium, get the website done. But there are several methodology, guys, right now. Okay, to do the automation and web scraping, and that's what we need to understand, guys. Okay, let's try to understand that part. First thing, guys, this is your main website. Okay, this is the main website. You can see, right? Let me just go on to it. What we will try to do, and guys, one more thing, everyone have to fill the attendance also. So attendance form will be shared at like closing to when we are closing the sessions right now. So if you try to see here, let me just go on my profile. Suppose this is the YouTube, guys. YouTube right now. Maybe I wanted to scrap this data. Maybe I wanted to scrap the data, or maybe I wanted to, what you can say, play the video. Something like that I wanted to do. Maybe I wanted to play the video. Maybe I wanted to scrap whatever the information is it is present. How we are going to do that thing? How we are going to do this stuff? So in the front end, guys, this is called as a front end actually. In the front end, there is a multiple elements we are having. This is element, this video link is an element, channel is element, this like icon is an element, everything is element, guys. On the front end, everything is element right now. What we need to do? We need to find the path of the element. Simple. This is the concept, guys. Suppose I wanted to search something. That means I need to interact with the search bar. I need to click on the mic button. That means I need to interact with this mic element. I wanted to click on the news. That means I need to interact with the news element right now. So everything, whatever you see in the front end, it is an element right now. It is an element right now. So the thing is like that, what we are going to do right now, we wanted to interact with these elements. Okay. So what we are going to do, how to get the path of the element. This is the main thing, path. If you know the path of element, you can interact with it. If you don't know the path, you can't interact with that. So how to get the path of the element? One methodology to get the path of element is what, guys, right now? You can right click on your screen, click on inspect, click on inspect, not a view page source, guys. Right click on the like Chrome browser anywhere, click on inspect, guys. After clicking on inspect right now, after clicking on inspect, something has happened with my screen. If you try to see, okay, what I will do, guys, what I will do, just a second. I will click on this small icon. Try to see. There is a small icon, this one. I will click on this small icon. Okay, this turned blue. If it turns blue, then I can interact with any elements simply. So if I wanted to interact with mic, just see, I will just go and hover onto the mic. If I wanted to interact with search bar, I will go and hover, not click, guys. Don't click. I will go and hover onto the search bar. If I go and I wanted to interact with sort, I will go and hover onto the sort option, subscription option, view option. This video I wanted to interact, I will go and hover onto that video. Simple like that. So suppose, guys, I wanted to interact with search bar. Simple. I wanted to interact search bar. I will go and hover onto the search bar. I will try to go and hover into the search bar right now. Okay. So I'll click on the search bar. Nothing did. After hovering on the search bar, I clicked on the search bar. Now, what the thing I got it right? What is the thing I got it? After clicking on the search bar, I can see on the right hand side something in the blue has been selected already. That means this is the code of your, this is the back, like you can say internal code for the search bar. Now we wanted to interact with the search bar. Simply nothing we wanted to do. We wanted to interact with this search bar. What we will do? We get an option called here, three dot option, and we get an option called copy. Okay. This copy is going to help you to find the path. This copy is going to help you to find the path. Okay. So now I can copy multiple different types of path, like HTML, selector, JS path, style, X path, full X path, anything. But 70 to 80% of the time, guys, I'm telling you, if you wanted to work, generally we work with the X path, right? Okay. This X path is actually the path of the search bar. And if you get the path of the search bar, you can interact with the search bar. You can go and interact with the search bar. You can just type it something right now. Okay. Let me showcase you like how it will be done. So I will try to copy this X path, guys. And I'm also telling you guys, 100% time you will be able to interact. This is also not the case. Maybe sometimes 80-90% it works, Sometimes 10-20% time it does not work. So if it does not work, you may have to find out some other way. Okay, but I'm hoping that let's try to do, and I'm hoping that it maybe we may be able to interact with that. Okay, so what I need to do for interact, I need to import some library packets from selenium dot common dot by dot WebDriver, I guess, if I'm not wrong, WebDriver dot common dot by import by. Okay, so this by will actually help us to find out that path that we have copied. We have copied the path of the search bar. No? So what we'll do, guys, we'll write a simple code. We'll write a simple code. Okay, dr dot find element. We wanted to find element. I told you, we wanted to find the element. Dr dot find element, and we wanted to find the element by what, guys? By dot x path. We wanted to find the element by x path actually. Okay, so x path we have only copied. So we wanted to find the element by x path. Now what we are trying to do, we are trying to paste the x path. So simply we did it and copied our x path. Nothing we did it actually. Simply we copied our x path right now. Okay. So let me just do it because double quotation internally it has been already used. So I will use single quotation, guys. Double quotation was used, so I have used single quotation right now. Okay. Now what I'm doing, I'm trying to find that search bar. Nothing I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to find the search bar so that I can give some input into the search bar. Okay. So I'm trying to do and saving into a variable called src, suppose. Okay. Save that thing in a variable called src. Trying to run. It may work, it may not work. Also, I'm already telling you guys 70 to 80% that buffer time. So I'm trying to find it. But the thing is like that we have opened which website in our browser? Wikipedia. And we have copied the path of YouTube. So obviously we need to again open the YouTube one, guys. So let's try to open the YouTube. I guess that time it was www.youtube.com. So let's try to open it. youtube.com actually. So you're trying to get the website and let's try to see YouTube is being open. YouTube is being open here right now. Okay. Now let's try to execute this code. So let me just import this again, guys. Let me just execute it because I don't want it to execute it separately. Let's try to run this code. SRC has been executed. Okay. You can't see it. You can't see because you are not interacting. What you did it actually, guys, you find the path. You are able to find the code is executed. That means you are able to find the path. After you find the path, guys, now you can interact it. So, guys, this is search bar. This is search bar simply. So in the search bar, what we wanted to do, we wanted to give some input. We wanted to give some input. Maybe we wanted to search Dhurandhar videos or some trailer. Maybe this time, I guess, Project Hail Mary movies and all this thing is going on right now. We wanted to search some videos regarding AI. So we wanted to give some keyword. We wanted to input something actually right now. Okay. So we are not going to input from here actually. We are going to input from our code simply. So we have created already, we find the path, search bar path, we find it. So now we are going to go in SRC, that is our search, and we will try to do something. So you can see there is a lot of things I can do. I can click on the search bar. I can actually do a lot of stuff. Okay. I can do everything, whatever we want right now. Okay. So I'm trying to remember the attribute, I guess input, or I guess it was some variable name for giving the input. Like send underscore keys. You see the function name. Like many times we need to remember the function name. If you don't remember, you'll get okay. So send underscore keys, what it will do, it will help you to send your keywords inside the search bar. We will try our best actually. Okay. So I'm saying, okay, I'm trying to search for a or like what you can say, maybe कुछ और नया, like Dune movie. I like it actually. Dune Part 3 trailer. Okay. So I'm trying to search for Dune Part 3 trailer. So I'm sending this keys. I'm sending this keys, and this keys should be went here right now. That's what I'm expecting actually. This keys should be went here right now. So if I try to run it, and then Dune Part 3 trailer came directly here right now. Now imagine you wanted to do the analysis of all the AI videos that is circulating on the internet. Okay, what you will do? You will just go and write different channel name. You can just list out channel names from any sources. You will go and directly write, okay, find out this channel, that channel. You can list out channel using loop. You can write one by one each and every channel. You can put it here right now, and then you can go and do this video searching and all. Now you guys can tell, you guys have to tell me one thing normally. I have able to send these keys in the search bar. After we send the keys in the search bar, what we should do? What we should do? We searched, we send the keys in the search bar. Generally, manually, what we will do if we send the keys in the search bar? Where we will interact? Where we will interact, guys? What we will do, guys? Quickly tell.
Click on search bar. Click on
Click on the search bar. So now you guys need to tell me one thing. If I wanted to click on the search bar, then I need to get the path of the search bar or not? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
So you guys will tell me the process if I need to go and click on the search bar. So I will not go from here, guys. I will go in my main, like this, what you can say, another YouTube one, whatever we have created. Not this one. Not this one. I'll go on to this one. This one, my profile one right now. I need to simply click on the search bar. Nothing I need to do. Simply click on the search bar. What I will do, guys, for getting the path of the search bar, we'll click on this small icon. Okay. And we will go and try to hover. We are not clicking. We are going and trying to hover. So we are trying to go on hover. Now, if you try to see, I'm able to hover on my search bar. I'm just able to hover on my search bar. So if I now click it here right now, this is the search bar on the right hand side. It has been selected. Now the path of the search bar has been selected. Now what we will do, guys, we will simply go and click on this three dot. And what we will do, guys, which thing we will copy, guys? What we are going to copy? X path. Very good. We are going to copy the X path right now. Now what we will do, we'll just go inside VS Code. Okay. Search bar is done. Now we need to click on this, like the search icon, that button we need to click. So I'm creating a variable called button. Okay. That button, search button, you can say. Let me just create a variable called search button. And you guys will tell me the code. Obviously, maybe you know Python, not that is not a case right now. If I wanted to find the path, what the code I'm going to write, guys, quickly tell. dr dot find element, same code, guys, no changes at all. There is no change in the code right now. dr dot find element, and by which thing we are searching the element, guys? By XPath.
By XPath.
By dot XPath right now. Okay. And now we will paste our path. Whatever the path we have copied, we will paste simply our path. Okay. Let me give it quotation, guys. I have pasted my path. Okay. If we execute it, and if it executed successfully, guys, that means you got the path of the button. Okay. So I will execute it, and we got actually the path of the button. Okay. So we got the path of the button. We are now able to interact with the button. What we wanted to do with this button, guys? What we actually wanted to do? We wanted to send some keywords, or do we wanted to do what we wanted to do on with this button, guys? Tell me, guys, what we wanted to do with this button. Simply I wanted to click it, na? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Simply we wanted to click the button right now. So if I wanted to click the button, what we will do? We'll our variable is already created, and we will click search button dot click right now. We'll click on search button dot click, and I'm hoping that when we do search button dot click, it should click onto it. So let's try to see, guys. I have clicked onto it, and now I will go on to this one, and you guys can see right now. First, we find the path of search. Then we send the Dune Part 3 trailer keywords right now, and then we are able to click on the search button also right now. And this has been open, and this is totally controlled by your code. No manual interaction and all right now. Suppose I wanted to search 100 trailers, guys, 10 trailers, 50 trailers. Just I need to use loop concept. And if I use loop concept, my work is already done. My work is already done. I can search the thing, and I can now, if you wanted to scrap the data also, I can do the scrapping of the data also very easily right now. Okay. So now what I want from you guys, I want one thing from you guys actually, because this is a very small thing I wanted to do with you guys. Okay. I wanted to go on Wikipedia website. You guys have to tell me the process. You guys do not need to write the code. I'm again telling you, don't write the code. You have to tell me the process. I wanted to go on Amazon, guys. Very famous website, Amazon. Amazon, I wanted to went on the Amazon website. Okay. Simply on the Amazon website, like Amazon.in. This is the main URL. I'll not go. I'll go on Amazon website. And in the Amazon website, guys, what I will do, I will try to click on mobiles. Okay. I will try to click on mobiles. Okay. And then inside the mobiles, what I will do, guys, I will try to scrap these data. This is image, guys, right now. You have to scroll to the very end, actually. Okay. Let me see, like, whether it is coming, full page is loaded or not. If full page is not loaded, then it's a problem, because you guys are learning from the beginning. Full page is automatically loaded right now. Okay. So I wanted to, guys, I wanted to get these data, these mobile phones data. Simple, this work I wanted to do. I wanted to get all these information, mobile data right now. So what I told you, I wanted to go on Amazon website. I wanted to click on the mobile option, and then I wanted to get this data. Simple, this work, nothing more than that. Okay. And you guys will help me to scrap the data simply. Okay. I will not do anything. You guys will help me to do that work right now. Okay. So I will write the code from the starting for you guys. I will close that driver, and I will start writing from beginning right now. I have closed the thing, and now I want you guys to start from it right now. You guys will tell me what I need to do. You guys can see the code also. Okay. Tell me, guys. This code I have executed again. The first set of code, because we need to access the Chrome. So we executed this code, and it should open the driver for us. It has opened the driver for us right now. Means it has opened the Chrome for us right now. Next thing, guys, tell me what I will do. This code deleted. There is no use of it. Next thing, tell me what I need to do. I need to go on mobile section, click on the mobile section, get the data of mobiles. Scatter. You guys will tell me the process. What I need to do next. Quick, guys. This is the current situation. We have not opened any website. What we will do after this? First step, at least tell me now what I will do inside it. Obviously, Amazon mobile data you are extracting. So you will visit YouTube or Amazon, guys. Which website you will visit? Amazon, obviously. Bolo, guys. Speak a little bit more. Huh? So let's just go on to this. So we'll visit on Amazon website. Okay. So let's just see Amazon URL, Amazon, and I guess we will get this Amazon.in. This .in URL is fine. So we'll copy this website URL of Amazon, and we'll paste into the code right now. Okay. And we will put it here. Simply after pasting the URL, we will run this code right now. Okay. And you can see Amazon should be opened in our, what you can say, this is called as bot, actually, Chrome bot. We are actually controlling a Chrome by using a bot. So this is called Chrome bot, actually. Okay. So inside this, what I will do, quickly tell me what I will do on this Amazon. I will go here right now. I can say I can go in my that here only. Tell me, guys, that is not a problem. Tell me what I will do here right now.
Get
What I will do.
mobile's XPath.
XPath.
Mobile tab.
So
XPath.
with the XPath of mobile section. Very good. So getting the XPath, I have to click on this icon, guys. You told me, you know it already. I just need to click on this small icon. Click on this small icon, and this button I need to click on. Mobile section, I need to click on it. I click on this mobile section right now. Okay. I just click on this mobile section. What I will do, this three dot I can copy, uncopy the, which path we will copy, guys? XPath we will copy. Okay. Copy the XPath, and now we will go there right now inside our VS code, and here we will try to find which icon right now, mobile. Let me write it mobile variable. Okay, mobile variable right now. And here, what I will do, guys, what I will do, just tell me quickly what I will do here right now. What the change I will do? I'll remove this XPath. I will put which path right now? The XPath that we copied now. So I'll remove the XPath and I will put this XPath that we have copied right now. Okay. Now what I will do, guys, I will try to run it. If it's successfully executed, we find the XPath. If it is not, that means we need to again try. So let's try with this. That means successfully executed. That means we find the XPath. Okay. We find the XPath actually. Okay. So what we need to do with this XPath? What we need to do this with this XPath, guys? Do we need to search some key? Do we need to send some data? What I need to do with this mobile icon?
Click.
Click it. Very good. So what I will do, I will write mobile dot click. Mobile dot click. I'll try clicking it. So I'll try to click it. So I'm trying to click it. It's just running right now. And now we will see in our browser, does it click in mobile section or not? Yes or no, guys? It does click on the mobile section or not? Yes or no? Just see this. It does click or not here?
Yes. Yes.
It click it right now. Now, guys, I wanted to scrap these data. These all the phones data. Every phone's data I wanted to scrap right now. So if I wanted to scrap the data, that means I need to interact with that elements or not? Yes or no, guys? I want to scrap, get all the data. I need to interact with these elements. So you guys need to tell me what right now. Let me just click on mobiles here also. I wanted to interact these all phones data. I wanted to interact all these phones data, guys, right now. These all phones data. So what I'm going to do? I need to get XPath of these phones or not? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what I'll do
Yes.
again, I'll click on this and I will try to see. This time I'm being very careful. I'm just trying to select the phone. If I wanted to get this phone data, I will select this phone only. Somehow I will try to select this phone only. Okay, just see. But if I wanted to get all the phones data, that means somewhere I have to click where it can select all the phone data. Can you see it have selected multiple phones or not? This selection have selected multiple phone or not? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
So what I will do then, I'll click on it, and then what I need to get it for this, I get the selection right now. On three dot, I will click on this right now, guys, and I will copy the XPath. I will copy the XPath simply. Okay. I will go in my what you can say VS Code, and I will write the code, guys. Code you guys will tell me this time. This time code you guys will tell.
Dr. dot
Very good. Dr. dot
get
find element. We are finding the element, na? Find element. Then guys,
By
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 dot xpath.
XPath and copy the XPath.
very good. Just see how much easy it is there. Okay. Now we are trying to search the mobile data. If we get it, definitely we should be able to get the data. So I'm trying to search it, guys. And this time we got it right now. This message that the element is not located. And that's what I wanted to showcase you, a realistic scenario. Every time it works, it is not necessary at all right now. Sometime it will be able to find it, sometime it won't be able to find it. So you need to see the alternative option. So let's go and try to search the XPath for some alternative option. We already know that we are having phones data here right now. So now what we will try to do, we'll go and try to find some alternative path. The previous part does not works actually. So what I will do, we'll go and try to select some this kind of phone data. Like let's select one phone data first. Okay. So let's try to select this data. Okay. So I'm selecting this data right now. I got the path of it right. Okay. I got the path of it right now. Okay. Copy the path. Let's try to see copy the path. Copy XPath. And let's try to do the same thing here right now. Again, let's try. Again, it is not able to find it. That means we need to go with some other kind of path. And it is very genuine thing that would happen, guys. It is very genuine thing that every time it can happen. Every time it can happen. And you can't neglect this part right now. So that's why sometime scrapping automations, what you can think, it takes time because you need to get a proper XPath. If you don't get XPath, you get like you don't get the data simply, guys. Okay. So now I'm trying to see some alternative option that okay, this time I'm going to select everything. I'm going to select this span right now and then try to copy the XPath. Okay. If 3-4 times I'm trying, it is not work. So I need to use my final, you can say, uh, alternative of it, and that is something different. And this time it's executed actually, guys. This time it executes. Just see, multiple times we tried, but different path selection we have tried, and this time it got that. We executed it right now. Now what we will do, guys? Now what we wanted to do we wanted to click on that phone data? Do we wanted to send some keys, or we wanted to scrap the data this time? What we wanted to do, guys, right now? What we wanted to do with the selection? Click on the phone or scrap the data simply? What do we wanted to do right now? Tell me, guys. We don't want it to click it. We wanted to just simply scrap the data, whatever the information we are having. So we will click on the mobile data, that variable we created. And now we will simply write a function name that is called dot text right now. Okay. So mobile data dot text, I will run it, and you can see something it has got from the website. And I'll try to print it, guys. Simply I will print it so that you guys can see it properly. And now try to see, guys. You can see completely you got your phone data. Poco C85 5G and all, 15,999. MRP is this one, nothing phone, pricing of nothing phone and all this thing. And honestly, if you try to understand, Amazon will legally not let you to scrap this data. I'm honestly telling you, not like every website will let you to legally to scrap the data. But OpenAI do this thing. If you ask OpenAI, just go on Amazon and get uh, do the web searching and get me this data, it will search the website. It does the thing right now. So you can also do the same thing. You need the data, but you don't have any choice. You don't get the data. You can go and crawl to the website and you can scrap the data. So you can see we are able to scrap the data. The only thing we need to do, this is a raw data. This is called as a raw data, guys. And raw data, you cannot do direct analysis. So with this raw data, we will go to the our second step. What is that step right now, guys? Data cleaning step. We will clean the data, we'll make it into tabular format, and then after cleaning and the data and make it into tabular format, then we can do the analysis of the data, guys, right now. Okay, this is how we do the web scraping. And I told you in a very basic way, as using less number of code. Because if I need to use the code, guys, you can't know like how much code enthusiasm I am right now. I do a lot of coding and all this stuff. Okay. One more thing, guys, right now, I'm very popular into training because of these things only right now. Everywhere, people just wanted to learn coding and especially machine learning from me, because I'm the best person to go with the machine learning, Python, and these kind of stuff actually. Okay. So the thing is like that. This is the basic setup, basic things I told you how to scrap the data. Your task will be, guys, what right now today is some basic task I'm writing in your group, right? Okay, because I just don't want it to make this just a second. Yes, so first thing you guys will do today for me, go on Amazon and scrap the data of, what you will do, guys, scrap the data of I want the data of furniture, guys. Furniture. I need a furniture data, 30 furniture data minimum. Go on Amazon and scrap the data of 30 furnitures. 30 furnitures using Selenium. Okay, this is the task that you guys will do today. Okay, and second thing I told you, setup video I'm sending. After setup video, then and only you guys can do setup properly. After setting up means Python installation you guys need to do, then Selenium installation you need to do, then Chrome driver setup you need to do it right now. So this setup video you can easily see and you can set up it. And if you face any problem into setting up, you can ping inside the same group. You can ping Vishakha ma'am and Rohit sir. They will guide you into that part, guys, into the setup. Any problem you are facing, you can ping these guys also. There is no issues. This would be the task, guys. And one more task will be there, guys, right now. What is the task? I want you guys to choose your own domain project. Maybe you wanted to work on stock. Okay. You wanted to, at the end of the complete, what you can say, internship, you have to deliver us a project right now. So maybe you wanted to work on stock related data. Maybe you wanted to work weather related data. Maybe you wanted to work, what you can say, maybe you can say healthcare related data right now, healthcare prediction data right now. I wanted you guys to any domain you can choose, any domain you can choose, okay. What I want from you guys right now, I want you guys to submit the project details to Maharashtra. Okay. Submit the project details, what you are going to do in this 5 days to Maharashtra. Today you have to finalize it. Today you guys have to do, okay, I'm doing stock prediction, crypto predictions and all this thing. Then day by day you guys have to work on to the project, and day by day you need to update it also. Tomorrow, first of all, getting these data, stock data, weather data, healthcare data, or any domain data, you can get it easily using Kaggle. You go on to the Kaggle, you can get the data. Okay. And finally, you got one more technique to scrap the data using API and as well as web scraping. I know these kind of data, like it would be very tricky to like transform in a very tabular format. So I want you guys to select your data from these different platform like Kaggles or GitHub, something like that. Get the data, decide your project. Tomorrow, after making you understand guys regarding data cleaning, then you guys have to do the data cleaning on your own data also. Then day after tomorrow, if I do teaching data analysis, on that day you have to do data analysis on your own project. Then machine learning, whatever we are going to use, you have to do the machine learning work onto your own projects right now. Okay, so these two things you guys have to do. Okay, setup video I'm writing. Setup video will be provided for Python, VS Code, and Selenium within 1 hour. Within 1 hour, you guys will get it right now. Okay, this thing. So this is the thing right now. These three things you guys need to do. Now I'm sending you guys what you can say, like a form, Google form, where you guys can mark your attendance. Okay, you guys have to mark your attendance. And meanwhile, everyone is marking the attendance. You guys can let me know if you guys have any kind of doubts or anything you wanted to let me let know from my side. You guys can let me know regarding that. Okay, so I'm sending the Google form in the chat. Please fill the attendance form right now. Okay. So just a second. Yeah, guys. So you can mark your attendance actually. Okay. You can just simply mark your attendance and let me know, guys, if you guys have any doubt, if you wanted to know anything about the machine learning and all this thing. Okay. And every day attendance is compulsory. You guys know about it. Okay. You have to mark the attendance. Any doubt you guys have in automation and web scraping, guys? Anything you wanted to know? What kind of project you can do onto that? Anything, guys? Anyone? Ritika, Ankita, anyone, right? Umesh. Think about right now that I have just told you that how to basically scrap the data and do the automations onto what you can say, uh, automation on some basic like YouTube videos and all. Someone told you that, okay, you have to download 100 YouTube videos, or someone told you that, okay, I need to get 100 YouTube videos data regarding some songs. Okay. So manually doing that work, how much frustrating it is right now. The same thing you can use using the Selenium automation. You can use using Python coding. You can do that stuff right now. Okay. So these kind of a thing we are doing it right now, and you can easily do it. And it's very interesting, guys. I don't know, like many people are actually very interested into automation and scrapping. Okay. Why? Because they think that they can control everything using automation. Maybe you can say like, if I need to like what you can say, if I need to like test some website using some password and all this thing, you can't write 1,000 password manually right now. So they can automate this part. Like, this is illegal, but don't try these things actually. So you can generate 1,000 password, lakhs of password using Python code, and one by one you can try using the Selenium automation. And that's the way the people test it. That's the way the people use it also right now. Okay. So there is some sort of a legalities and illegalities is also there in Selenium. So please use carefully. Right now, it's just a project work, guys, so you can use it anywhere. There is no problem at all. But on a very large scale, where is attendance Google form? I have sent it, guys, right now. Durgeshwari, I have sent it right away right now.
So
Yeah,
it's not shown in the message.
it's not showing in the message. Just a second.
Yes, sir.
Pin to board. Can you see it now? If I have pinned to the board right now.
No, sir.
Hmm?
No.
Okay, just a second.
Yes.
Can you see it now? Everyone? The Google form link?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please fill it fast and let me know, guys, anything. And trust me, guys, you guys are coming for the first time. Okay. The thing is like that, you in 5 days you can actually learn a lot of things from me. Okay. Like regarding machine learning, AI, data science, anything, whatever you guys wanted to ask, how you can build your career, what are the things you need to learn, anything you can ask me right now. Okay. And the way that we do it, actually we are doing it on a very basic level, because we are treating everyone as on the same level. We can't go like expect that people knows Python, machine learning, and all those things. Okay. We're expecting that everyone is on the same level and they should know these things. Okay. But when you guys get in advance, and when we are having some other kind of a trainings, you can say, then inside that you can learn very advanced things also, especially algorithm and all. So, Shravani, I have sent the Google form link actually. Can't you see, like, I have sent it, right? Can you see it, Shravani? How it is possible? Like, chat subscription to everyone right now. Hmm. I'm sending, I don't want to send in the WhatsApp group, because the people who have attended the session, they may not, they just fill the form and they say, okay, they have attended the session. So I'm just sending it here right away. And what I can do, I can generate a QR code, guys. Simple, man. Like, why I don't think about it. Like, let's do it like this. Inspect, create QR code for this page. Guys, you can scan this one also. Simply scan it, fill the attendance. Yeah. Let it open. Yes. You guys can scan it simply. Scan it and fill the form, guys, right now. Tomorrow we will understand data cleaning and EDA part also. Okay, how to load the data, how to clean the data. These things we are going to understand, right? Okay. I hope everyone is able to fill the attendance, right? Okay. Just a second. Let me stop the recording also, guys. This one. Tech support, I guess. Yes.